If you're seeing a Whop media error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it so you can upload or play your media without the frustration. A Whop media error usually happens because of a file issue, a browser issue, or an extension blocking the upload. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes. Before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it means you won't miss future troubleshooting videos. Alright, let's start with the quickest fix first. The first thing you want to check is whether your browser extensions are causing the issue. Ad blockers and privacy tools like uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, and even Brave Shield can block Whop's media upload endpoints, especially if the browser thinks the request is suspicious. If that happens, the upload may fail, the page may freeze, or the media may not load properly. To test this, disable your ad blocker or any privacy extension temporarily. If you're using Brave, try turning off Brave Shield for the Whop page, then refresh the page and try the upload again. If it works after that, you found the cause. You can also whitelist Whop, so the site is allowed to load media normally without being blocked in the future. Next, try opening Whop in an incognito or private window. This is one of the easiest ways to rule out browser cache issues or extension interference. Private mode usually starts with a cleaner session, so if the media works there but not in your normal browser, that tells you the problem is likely coming from cached data or one of your extensions. If that still doesn't solve it, the next thing to check is the file itself. A Whop media error often appears when the file type is unsupported or the file is too large. This is especially important when uploading product covers, business logos, app icons, course videos, or promo clips. For images, make sure your file is in a supported format like JPG, PNG, WebP, or GIF. If your image is in a different format, Whop may reject it. Also, keep the file size under 5 MB to 10 MB whenever possible. Larger images can fail depending on the upload conditions, so smaller optimized files are always safer. You should also make sure the dimensions are correct. For logos, a square image like 400 by 400 pixels is usually the safest choice. For product page banners, use a 16 by 9 aspect ratio, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels. Using the correct dimensions helps avoid upload errors and makes sure your media displays properly once it's live. If you're uploading videos, the supported formats are usually MP4 or MOV, and the file should be encoded in H.264 with AAC audio. That encoding matters because even if a file has the right extension, it may still fail if the compression format is wrong. Large 4K video files are especially likely to fail because they can time out during upload. If that happens, compress the video down to 1080p or reduce the file size to under 500 MB before trying again. Another simple fix is to refresh your browser. Sometimes a Whop media error is caused by a temporary loading glitch, and a basic reload is enough to clear it. If refreshing doesn't work, clear your browser cache and try again. Cached scripts or broken session data can interfere with the media uploader and cause errors even when your file is completely fine. If the issue is still showing, try a different browser. Switching between Chrome, Safari, and Firefox can make a big difference because browser compatibility issues are more common than people think. What fails in one browser may work perfectly in another. If you're on a browser with aggressive privacy settings, that can also trigger upload or playback problems. So to recap, your main fixes are: disable extensions, try incognito mode, check your file type and size, confirm the correct dimensions, refresh or clear cache, and switch browsers if needed. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the Whop media error quickly. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing how to fix Whop upload problems specifically on mobile, or how to optimize files for fewer media errors. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.